Got it.
A fire has been reported in the building. A fire has been reported in the building.
I
Please
don't...
proceed to the stairway and exit the building.
Should we be doing this? Guys, don't depend on me to save your lives right now, honestly. This is... Thank you. One person. Go check it out, fire captain. You guys, our response tells me we're suicidal. We have absolutely no desire to save our lives. Just two of us really want to live, and this is fucking with my timing a little bit. I'm going to be honest. Is there a fire in this building? Oh my God. You guys, let's right now, let's go to the AMC. I'm very agitated. I need to kick some ass. Are you guys coming back? Pardon me?
It's a popcorn machine upstairs.
It's a popcorn machine upstairs. I am so proud of this audience. You two are the only pussies in this room. Everyone else, no offense. Everyone else is like, wow. I'm here, I paid for parking. Is it, oh my, for God's sakes. It's really hard to drown out a fire alarm, sir. I don't know if you noticed. But they do whatever they can to distract you from what you're listening to save your life. But of all the people that stayed, I'm glad you did too. One day you will die in a fire, and that's the only thing that comforts me right now. Oh, too far. Fuck you, asshole. I'm working with a lot of bullshit right now. Oh, for fucking God. Do you guys want to set a fire or flappers just to make it worthwhile, honestly? What's the point of going through this if one of us doesn't burn a little bit? I'm running out of fire alarm riffs. I really am. I need a new talk. Could there be an earthquake right now just to mix it up? Oh, that's one step too far. Okay, Northridge, stage right, guys. We're still traumatized from a previous... Were you in Northridge? Okay. I want to care, but I just want all the ladies to know they're infertile right now. Your uteruses cannot survive this sort of noise. And look at you, you're still eating through it. That's what I love about you. You don't give a fuck. Do you ever feed this child? What kind of a mother are you? What's your name? David. All right, David. I'm really losing the will to live. I'm tired. Every time I hope that there's silence, I hope it's over with. And then this motherfucker, I would, if this guy was here, I would shove your dick in his mouth, sir. I really would, just to silence him. I never want to hear his voice again. There's no elevator here, right? They really went out of their way. Think of how many people are inconvenienced at the AMC. That makes me happy. Okay. Yeah. Oh. My head hurts. How do I do crowd work through this? Where you guys in from? I don't give a shit. I'll try. It's bullshit, and we know it. Stop it. I feel like we're in China right now. Don't worry, the coronavirus has been contained. Take off your face masks. Enjoy your night out. Seriously, how much time have I done? It's a 15-minute set. I think I've been up here 45 minutes.
Proceed to the stairway and exit the building. Do not use the
I don't have it in me, you guys. I'm not made for this. I'm 54 years old. I've been in this business for 32 years. No, I want out. This is it. This is God telling me, get the fuck out. First he told me by bringing a 12-year-old to the show. That's the first sign. And I kept going. I kept doing jokes. And God's like, all right, I'm going to empty out a movie theater. Oh my God! You guys, I almost came on that one. I really did. I was so close to the edge. So exciting. This is actually turning quite thrilling and sexual for me. Every time this guy pauses, I think he's about to go right for the clit, and then he doesn't. Then he goes up 2 inches too high and makes this noise. And I'm like, oh, I'll do it myself later. Don't worry. Just hurry up. Please. Make it end. Oh my God. Oh, I got the light, you guys. Wow. See, the light means I have 2 more minutes. I bet as soon as I step off stage, this thing shuts down. Motherfucker. Was anyone else out there with you too? Cowards? All right, it's Kimberly Clark's problem. Thanks a lot, you guys. It's been fun. Good night.